Prangut ki Kyrtong na ki sautali ki sengsan hima ki balapan kre bania aireng ya ka election syaka yeng dorbar thawan ke jela na ki santali ki constituency ke Thep Bhoi kila Pyndep menta kasngi ke lai Tarik Rymphang arjar arpaulai ban Thep Kyrteng yelade halaki returning officer jongki. Kita ki Prangut ki Kyrtong kilong sangut na ka National People's Party na baro san ki constituency kata uba sastana sotun na jirang uba Jason S. Maulong na Umsning kakong Magdalene S. Maulong na Nongpo uba Rymphang Lingdo na Mauhati bat uba Damon Bat Lamare na Umroy. Kiway pat ki kentup na ka HSPDP Umsning uba Primson Makado na ka People's Democratic Party Umsning uba Don Lang Sokland bat na ka Indian National Congress jirang uba Adrian Meliam Khan. Kumbalong hadu menta ki Kyrtong ka parti NPP bat jong ka parti Congress na baro santali ki constituency Haribhoi kila dep ya ka jing Thep Kyrteng la ka file nomination katba ki Kyrtong jong ki weipat ki parti kidang sa ban Pyndep ya ka jing Thep Kyrteng. Lasnran langi ki ki Kyrtong ha ka kasngi da ki kmi ki pa ki bahaying hasam rengkat bat ki nong kershan jongki.
I, Magdalene South Maulong, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Sosthenes Sotun, having been nominated as candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Having been nominated as the candidate to fill the seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
I, Shri Adrian Lambert Malay, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 10 Jirang Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God or solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
I, Shri Jason Maulong, have been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
I, Shri Rymphang, have been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Legislative Assembly. Do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Rymphang, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Meghalaya Muslim Constituency SP, the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India by law established, and I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.